As tensions rise between Iran and Israel, the Middle East is once again in turmoil. Amid this chaos, a controversial idea called the Greater Israel Map has resurfaced, sparking outrage across the Arab world. So, what exactly is the Greater Israel Map, and why has it caused a massive uproar? Last September, during the 79th session of the UN General Assembly, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu displayed maps that included Palestinian territories as a part of Israel. But the map he showed goes much further. It depicts a much larger Israel stretching into a significant parts of modern-day Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. This vision of a greater Israel has drawn a sharp condemnation from Arab countries who see it as a direct challenge to their sovereignty. For nations like Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria, seeing their lands included on this map feels like a serious violation of international law and a threat to peace in the region. It revives old fears about Israeli expansion beyond recognized borders, making an already fragile situation even more complicated. Qatar's foreign ministry called the map a flagrant violation of international legitimacy resolutions and warned that such provocations undermine peace efforts. According to reports, they also urged international community to pressure Israel to respect international laws and abandon expansionist policy. The UAE also condemned the map, calling it a deliberate effort to expand the occupation and blatant contravention of international law. The UAE stressed the need to support regional peace efforts aimed at achieving a two-state solution and an independent Palestinian state. While Israel highlights this ancient legacy, critics warn that using history to justify modern territorial claims risks inflaming tensions and derailing peace efforts. Well, with the ongoing tension between Israel and Iran, the big question remains: is Israel acting in self-defense, or is there a larger agenda at play? This is Muskan for NDTV.